Hey OPC, welcome to your winter wonderland.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So this month's theme is Winter Wonderland. As you can see, I'm all covered up, ready for the winter. I'm actually not going to work out with all of this on me, so I'm shedding some layers here. So this workout is one of the things I do in the winter as a practice to help me get ready for my ski season. And this may help you for whatever winter activities that you do that require just a little bit extra, whether that's, an opening or it's a strengthening through the backside or sides of the body to help you do all the winter activities that you enjoy. So let's get started. We're going to start with some breathing. So just come seated, and yes, we're going to hit the breathing exercise, but I just wanted to start here with your hands on your rib cage and just feedback for your body to breathe into the sides of your rib cage, breathing in and out through your nose. And we'll take 3 breaths here. And then you can have one hand placed to your back and then one hand to your chest. And you're trying to breathe into your back hand so you know that you're filling up the back part of your rib cage. And we'll do 3 breaths here together. Okay. If you are on a Cadillac and you want to bring down your trapeze swing and do the full expression of the exercise that way, you can. I'll show you if you're on a tower, what we can do. So come on your back and you'll grab your bar. And you're going to have legs bent. So almost like you're getting set up for like a shoulder bridge. So here, as we take a breath, we're going to lift our hips and bring our bar down towards our hips. And then roll it down. So you're taking an inhale and filling up the sides and the backs of your rib cage. And you hold, and then you exhale and come back to the mat. So let's do a few more of these together. Inhale, hold, exhale, roll it down. Let's do 2 more. And remember the feedback you got from your hands to fill up the sides and the back of your rib cage. This is our last one. That's the sensation you want to try to find while you're doing this. Okay, so let's put that away. We're going to come over to our arm springs. And we'll do some exercises over here using our handles. So find a position on the Cadillac. I think I'm like a little bit more than slightly more than a hand's distance away from the edge. So you'll find what works for you after we get going on this first one. You can start with legs bent, or you can straighten the legs. I'm going to start with my legs bent. So here we're going to just start with a press down with straight arms. And that means without locking the elbows. And you do not have to go all the way down to the mat. It takes me a few reps to even try to get there. And you're really squeezing through the back of the armpits. We're going to do 2 more. And 1 more. And then from here, let's do some small circles. So you're going to press down so you can feel your arms on your back. And then we'll do 5 circles in one direction. And then we'll reverse it. And then next, we'll do some big circles. So press down again till you feel your arms on your back. And now we go bigger circles for 5. And then reverse. And how is that breathing going? Because you definitely need that for your winter wonderland activities. From here, we're going to do the tricep press. So you're going to bend your elbows and place the backs of your arms on the mat. And then you're going to press down. And you can play with the breath and see which feels best for you. Is it an inhale as you press down, an exhale as you return? Or is it an exhale as you press down and an inhale to return? We'll do 1 more. Okay, so winter wonderland, we have to do some snow angels. So we're going to have our arms open out to the sides, and we're going to press towards the hips and then come up. Squeeze those inner thighs, squeeze those inner heels, and we do another snow angel. We're going to do 5 of these and watch the return. I'm telling myself that because I just felt my left arm like kind of relax, and there was a little bounce to the spring, so maybe that's you. So we're controlling it back. We're doing 1 more. All right, so let's change this into some circles here. So you're going to press towards the hips. You're going to lift both arms up and then open out to the sides. And again. Two more here. I am really paying attention to my left arm now that I heard that bounce in the spring. And then we'll reverse it. So now the arms come up, press down, and then open to the sides. And again. Keep working the legs. Squeeze those inner thighs together. And then it's an energetic draw of the heels to the tailbone. Ribs are down. 1 more. Okay. So we can let this go. And we're going to switch over to our side leg springs. So I'm going to put this on the other side. So you line yourself up to the back edge of your mat. And then the foot loop behind you is what goes on your foot. So let's start with some front and back. So with this spring on your foot, It's so easy just to think about your leg at this point, right at your hip bone, but try to feel like your leg starts higher.